your school library. So first of all, let's start with here. Okay, so first of all, you will write about the size. So here is the key point: large and rectangular. Then the next one is white paint and gray marble. It will cover the place of the walls. And then for furniture, you will write clocks, tables, and chairs. Use these key points and try to make sentences. Then for windows and doors, you will try to write your own quantity and quality of windows and doors in the room. Use your imagination and try to write about them. And then the arrangement of furniture around windows, around doors, how they are, what kind of furniture is there, and how it is arranged, how it is placed in the school library, and if it is quiet or not, and clean, and if what kind of place it is, and how you feel about it. So these all are the keys which you will use, and then you will, by using these keys, you will try to write your own paragraph or description about school library. So I have written one for you, and it is in the next slide, but please don't cheat from there. Try to write your own and then give it to your tutor or your parents, and they will help you to correct your mistakes, and then write your own on your neat notebooks. Okay, so for your help, I am going to show you my work. So here is the school library. All these bold words are the keys which I have taken from the smart art. So kindly write your own. Okay, so let's move to the speaking activity. So we have done yesterday a spoken activity which is working from home, and then I gave you these questions. Number one, that tell me at least 8 occupations or jobs that can pursued at home. And then I said that try to choose one job and tell me that how you can start it and manage it and maintain it practically at your home if you're a mother. And then consider yourself a mother and tell me how you will spend your whole day by doing a job from your home. And then I ask you about that what kind of occupations are best for the mothers. And finally, I ask you about your own thoughts about working mothers. So I hope you have gathered some points from your elders and from your tutors and from internet. So let me help you that these are some occupations that can be pursued from home. So home chef, a person can be baker also. And then skill developer people are here present online to develop your skills, whether they are web skills or your talking skills, speaking skills, language skills. Then the next one is a web developer. Next is the party planner, or the person can be a wedding planner. And then next is data finder. The next one is the writer, the author, and next is the painter. And the online teaching is also a very good occupation that a mother can pursue from home. So next, but you will not go with only these points. You will add up your own thinking and your own perception. Now move to the question number 2. Choose one from them and make a complete work plan that how it should be started, managed, and maintained practically. So what are the key points for this? You will talk about it with your own words, but these are the key points: that make a complete plan of budget and menu and advertising methods. First of all, you will write it on your paper, and then you will make a complete estimation of your whole business idea. Then you will start it with the small investment, and if you are starting home-based chef or a baker, then you will do small investment in food items. And don't make your menu very complicated and big. Start with easy, low cost, and less time taken dishes. So these are the wise ideas that you can use when you are starting a small business from home as a mother. Because you have not only yourself to put money on yourself and on your business, because you have children and you have many chores at home, and there are many responsibilities. You have to you can't keep your all money on your business, so you have to start with easy and low budget things that will not only take your small money, but it will also take your less time. And then you will is the main thing to for the focus is the advertising. So your advertising game must be very good. And then expand your menu if you have managed to place managed to make yourself stand out in all the home bakers. So expand menu and advertising and improve your services day by day. So these are my keys, but you can talk and take keys from internet and from your elders, your parents, your brothers and sisters, etc. So this all these keys and questions are for argument. Okay, so आपने सिर्फ यही याद नहीं करने, आपने खुद से भी जो है इसमें एडअप करते रहना है. Next is question number 3. Consider if you are a working mother, then how will you spend your whole day? Give detail. So while giving detail, you will use personal pronoun I. Okay, so you are a mother. If you are a boy or a girl, but consider yourself a mother of 1 or 2 children with a husband, and then you will talk about it. Then I do that, I will do this and that I will. Okay, आपने इस तरह से सारा बोलना है. So I will start my day with salah, and if I start my day, I will start my day early morning. You can be completely what can I say? You can be completely creative in this. Okay, then I will start my material. I will ready my material, my food material, by preparing breakfast. Then I will I will do my home chores, and I will start my work with the time taken dishes and desserts. And then I will cook my main courses completely, and then I will keep my appetizers half cooked, so they cook fresh at each order. And then I will complete my work before an hour of opening time, and then I will take orders from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. and then before the arrival of husband and children. Then I will wrap up and clean the whole thing till 8 p.m. and then after 8 p.m. I will give time to children and husband and prepare their things for the next day, and at 10 p.m. I will go to the bed. So this is how you will completely spend your whole day. But you can add up, you can be creative, because this is your day, and you will tell me that how will you spend your whole day as a mother, as a working mother, with the children and the husband. Okay, so the question number 4 is, in your opinion, for mothers, which kind of occupation would be best to pursue? So I will tell you each occupation with the reason. So the first one is the online teaching. So why online teaching is at number 1? Because it takes less time and investment, and it gives you self-satisfaction. Then the personal trainer. Why personal trainer? मैं physical trainer की बात करें, because it takes less time with almost no investment, and also keep a mother fit, which is very compulsory nowadays. Next is baker. Why baker? Because it's a fun activity and keep a mother's sweet tooth satisfied. And then an author. Why an author? Because it keeps a mother's learning ability active. So there is another question, that how you think about a working mother. So you will tell me your feelings and your perception about it, and these perceptions and feelings are completely personal, your personal, and I will not give you any key about it. So this is your diary, lesson number 16, reading, and then you will write a description of a school library on your notebooks, and you will learn it, and then you will do again more discussion and argument about this speaking activity. So keep your prayers regular, and stay home, stay safe.